Hello everyone, welcome to the 6th video of MATLAB Simulink Essentials. After watching this video, you will get to know how to do the connections of half-wave rectifier with RLE type of load. For that, we will use various components present in the library browser. Take the AC voltage source, open it and change the peak amplitude to 325 volts. Change the frequency to 50 Hz. Take the diode from specialized power system library. You can remove this measurement terminal if it is not required. Connect the diode with the load side, with the supply side. Take series RLC branch. Change the branch type to RL. I am taking the value of resistance as 10 ohm and inductance as 20 millihenry. Rotate the branch and connect it with the diode. To create RLE type of load, I will take DC voltage source. Change the amplitude to 48 volts. You can choose any value as per your requirement. Do the connections. To measure the voltage across the load and the supply side, take voltage measurement block. Copy this same block to the supply side. Connect the voltage measurement block across the load side. Now take a scope to view the waveforms. Change number of input ports of the scope and its layout. Now connect this input side voltage and output voltage across the load to the scope block. You can give the name. Now take the power guide block. Change its simulation type to discrete. So this power guide is required if we are using components present in this Simscape library. So if we are using in our simulation any of the component present from this Simscape library, then this block is required. I am taking here the stop time as 0.08 seconds. So we will get the waveforms corresponding to 4 cycles. Now save our simulation. And run it. Open the scope block. So in the positive half cycle of the AC supply, voltage present at this cathode terminal is more as compared to the supply side voltage present at this anode of the diode. So this diode will remain turn off. So you can observe here the small portion which is equals to this DC voltage source. So for this small portion, output voltage will be equals to DC voltage source. Now as soon as this supply voltage becomes greater than the DC voltage source, the load voltage waveform will appear like this. In the positive half cycle of the AC supply, this inductor will store the energy Whereas in the negative half cycle, this inductor will release its energy and keep this diode forward biased, because the anode terminal of this diode will be at lesser negative potential compared to the cathode terminal. And we will get the voltage waveform across the load in this negative region like this. As soon as this supply voltage becomes greater than the load voltage, this diode will get reverse bias, so it will act as an open circuit. So the voltage across the load will become equals to this DC voltage source. So this, where here you can see in the negative half cycle, voltage across the load has become equals to the DC voltage source. So the same thing will get repeated in the next cycles. So that's all from this video. Check out the description box for the quiz and do answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel Start Scratch, and do check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.